Flood. We have already learnt about floods and the effects of floods in our previous grade. Come, let us do a quick revision of it. A frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world is floods. Due to excessive rainfall in the same place, a river overflows its bank, causing a flood. When there is a heavy downpour in big cities, the drainage system falls short, resulting in choking of gutters and drainage lines. This causes overflowing of manholes, waterlogging on the roads and surrounding areas. Water also enters the houses. Effects of flood. Floods cause damage to life and property. It also causes soil erosion and extensive damage to crops. Even after receding of floods, there is a danger of spread of diseases and epidemics which causes a decline in the health of the people. Such effects of floods are evidently witnessed in Maharashtra in the last few years. For instance, in July 2005, many people had lost their lives in the floods caused by heavy rains in Mumbai. In August 2016, people died due to flooding caused by heavy rains in Nashik. Both the cities as well as the people had to suffer from huge property loss and after effects of floods. Come, let us now quickly learn about some protective measures that can be adopted in view of floods. Protective measures in view of floods. Construction of small dams in mountainous regions. Construction of percolation tanks, making riverbeds flat. Cultivation of new forests and connecting rivers are some of the protective measures that can prevent flooding. Good to know. Government of India established the National Flood Commission in 1976. The Commission has made special efforts towards the control of floods. A plan regarding flood control is kept ready from national level to village level. Large-scale damage of property and loss of life can be avoided because of this plan. Come, after studying about natural disasters like famine, cloudburst and floods, let us move on to study about one more natural disaster, that is, lightning.